It's blocked up again. So a lot of wind drift came in and almost blocked up the hole. The cave itself is pretty good, and I've packed up the pack ready to go. But so much snow. Again, a huge amount of snow before breaking through. Wow, that it was so hard to breathe for a while there, like I was at high altitude. Back towards gradually getting the pack up through the hole. It's a tough go, and my hands, my fingers are wet and cold and white. Wow. Time to go. Put the snowshoes on and back to horse camp. It's the entrance to the snow cave up there. Wow, that is so much snow. And it's still snowing.